it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix picture-in-picture if it's not working on YouTube. So let's get started. Well, the first thing that you're going to do is to go to Play Store. Now go to the search bar and type in YouTube. Now hit search. Great. Now I'm just going to tap on YouTube. Now, if it says open, then the app is updated. But if it says update, then you need to update your app because this is a new feature on YouTube. So make sure to update your app in order to get the picture-in-picture feature. Another thing that you can do is to go in your settings. And from the search settings, type in picture and picture. Great, and here it is. Now tap on it. Scroll all the way down till you find YouTube app. And make sure to turn on the allow picture-in-picture option. And this is it. This is how to fix picture-in-picture if it's not working on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See ya.